So this morning is going to be the first time Brent gets to pick up one of the chicks. Correct, Brent? How old is it?
He is 14 days old today.
Okay, let's take a peek inside.
It's the one in the back fore right corner. Nuba.
Oh, God. I didn't realize those two were that big. Wow, look at those baby budgies. All right. So, what is the process?
I'm going to take Nuba out and just...
I see you have a rag in your hand.
Yeah, I just want to put him on this.
Okay.
And just...
All right.
Just say hi. Give him a little love and put him back in there.
All right.
Just,
so I'm trying
to get him used to me.
Yeah. And Mama?
It's okay, Polka. Hi, baby. It's okay, Polka. She's not happy.
Yeah.
It's okay, baby. I'm not going to hurt the baby.
Mama's over here.
I'm not going to hurt.
It's all right.
I'm not going to hurt him.
Polka.
Come on, baby.
But she's really half in the box.
Come on. Yes. Let's move your little brother or sister over. Come here, baby. Come on, Bubba.
Let's see. There's Dad, Zeba. Hi, Zeba.
Come here.
Mama Polka up there trying to see what's going on.
Come here.
He won't hurt your baby.
Come here. Okay. This is kind of hard because one of the newer babies is just kind of laying on him.
Maybe you need to put it off for right now and just do it later in the day.
I'm just going to move the baby over, you know?
Okay.
Bubba, come on. Here you go. It's okay.
Okay, Mom.
Good baby.
What a good mama.
Good baby.
Wow, she's had how many babies?
7.
7 chicks in there.
Okay.
This is the first day that the directions have said to handle said baby. Close the lid. Okay.
This is Nuba.
This is Nuba.
Hi, Nuba.
Oh, Nuba, you're a beautiful baby.
So pretty, Nuba. Hi.
Look at those little feathers
Hi,
and the
Nuba.
fluff.
What a pretty bird. Oh, Nuba. Yes, Nuba's so pretty.
What a beauty.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Let's look
Nuba.
at Mom. There's Dad. Mom's inside. I hear other babies.
It's okay, Nuba. So pretty, Nuba. Yes. Hi. I'm your grandpa. I'm your grandpa. Oh, so pretty, Nuba.
What a beautiful baby budgie.
What a baby, pretty, so
Maybe
cute.
Back so Mom feels
Yes.
comfortable.
It's okay. Zeba, you see me hold your baby? See, Zeba? I hold the baby.
Is this all right?
Okay. Nuba, you ready to go see your mom? Come here. It's okay, Nuba. Good boy. Shh. It's okay, Nuba. It's okay. Here we go. Here we go. Nuba's back in there.
All right.
You want to see it? Nuba. He steamrolled over his brother or sister.
Oh, God. Nuba. Okay, I'm going to stop the camera, but I want to take a picture.